met somebody I did. No, man.
Mom,
Eh.
so you know I want you to meet my girlfriend.
Eh.
Well, Mom, this is Jessica. Jessica, this is my mom. Hi. Is it okay if I use your bathroom?
Eh. Upstairs. Second door on your right.
Okay, thank you.
Eh.
So, Mom, what do you think?
When since you turn garbage, man?
What?
Oh, what are you bringing at my house, boy? Eh? You know, see
my
how she look
girlfriend.
run down. And what kind of ugly piece of sitting that? No, so well on. Me carry you in my belly for 9 months. Broke my back for raise you. And that the piece of ugly sitting there you bring come show me? Eh? No, sir.
I really like her.
Like? How will you like about that? No, you don't have no eye. No. You must see the one back here you can't see. How are this? No, sir, son. You have to do better than that. No, man. You have to do better than that.
Your bathroom's so cute.
Jessica.
Yes?
My son said I'm break up with you.
I didn't say
You
that.
didn't just say you break up with her.
Jessica.
Hold on. Why for your fingernail them so long?
Do you like him?
You can wipe your body with them the finger there?
Huh?
You can't even make dumpling or roti with them the finger there. No, sir.
I'm sorry about my mom being rude.
Rude?
Mom.
Why? A back chat you give me?
No.
Eh? What is rude is you bringing on people and not tell me. When I tell you so when you bring on people you have to tell me.
I told you.
No, sir, me disappointed. Me very disappointed. And my heart at ache right now and my head at hot me because me do everything to raise you, right? And at this way you bring home, sorry darling. What your name again?
Jessica.
Alright, ugly, yeah, you have to get out. Yeah.
Mom.
You too, take out your garbage and come out. No man. What wanna come out?
But it was nice meeting you.
But what that thing I joke him around?